Hi guys, today we're going to install the Universal Car cover from Nilight on our 2002 Acura RSX. This car has been parked for a few months now, and as you can see it has accumulated a lot of dust, dirt, even been parked in the parking lot. Right now we will wash the vehicle and then we will install this cover and show you how it looks. Our vehicle is now clean. Now let's open the bag. This is our cover right here. It's made of Oxford cloth. It's lightweight and durable. Obviously it is dust proof, it has UV protection, waterproof. And look at that. Has an eagle. These are for our rear view mirrors. As you can see, it has reflective strips. And as you can see, the process is quite straightforward. You just put it on top. On their sides. We've got two reflective strips on the sides of the car. We've got two strips on the rear view mirrors. Again, we've got a beautiful eagle on the windshield. We've got these straps here. These can go around your wheel. It will make sure that it doesn't fly away if you have lots of wind. We have 4 of these straps all around. And in the middle we've got this hook for our lock, which also comes in the set, wire and the lock. This goes underneath the vehicle to the other side, and this ensures that nobody steals your cover. And yeah, one more for the wheels on this side. On the driver's side we've got the zip. This will allow us to open the driver's door and get inside the vehicle if you need to do that without removing the cover. And we've got another strap for our lock. Right now I'll show you how to use this lock. By default it's 000. Remove the lock. Unwrap the wire. Now one end goes through here and the other end of the wire goes right like this. Pull it all the way, and then this end will get pushed underneath the vehicle. You may need to reach underneath the car, and now you use the lock to secure our cover. Now if somebody tries to steal it, again it's gonna be harder than without this protective system. Our cover is pretty much shown. I'll show you guys again how it looks. It is universal, as I said before. This one in particular fits sedans from 186 inches to 193 inches. In our case, our vehicle is a little bit smaller, about 174 inches, but still it works quite well. This is how the stitching looks like. We have a few all around. One more on top here, and overall the quality seems fine. If you guys want to remove the cover, it's quite simple as well. Comes off fairly easy. that's it. You're ready to drive. Our cover is back on. Again, the main purpose of this cover is to make sure that our vehicle is not exposed to the elements. It will protect you from sunlight, from rain, from dirt, debris, scratches. And not sure about you guys, but I think this eagle actually looks quite cool on the cover. And if you guys are interested, I will leave you the link in the description. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.